Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, as promised, I wanted to do an unboxing video. Just got these new postcards in, and I wanted to be able to share those with you. And this is the first time I've ever seen them, and you as well. So we're going to do this together. Okay. So if you'll just bear with me a little bit, I got to just make an adjustment on the camera here. Going to flip it around and then just make a frame adjustment, and we'll get started. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just going to come down on this. That's way too close. So let's just fix it right about there, and then I'm going to go to wide angle. There we go. Much better. Okay. Now the reason I'm unboxing it from the underside here, guys, is because I want to be able to protect the identity of the seller, because their name and address is on there and everything on the shipping label. So I'm going to take my handy little X-Acto blade here, and we're just going to get started. I always enjoy doing these. My wife Kim loves when I do videos like this. So we're going to just flip that around and cut through that as gently as I can. Hopefully I was able to go deep enough with that. There we go. Ooh, my favorite thing. We got peanuts. Ugh. I don't like peanuts. They go all over everywhere. But it's good that he protected the cards at least. Let me see if I can dig through this and get the cards out. He's got them wrapped in, looks like some kind of bubble plastic. And let me just make sure there's no other cards in here. No, looks like it's all peanuts. Okay, that's good. I'll get rid of this box. And now we're just left with this here. Got to be real gentle with this. That's why I use an X-Acto blade. Because what you don't want to do is cut into the cards and slice through one of the cards or whatever. So I'm just trying to be real careful here. This blade is very sharp. And let's see if there's an opening I can get to somewhere. Let me see if I can make another cut there. Sometimes you got to cut your way into these. You wrapped it pretty good. Okay, we're starting to see some cards. Beautiful. Okay, here we go. Get rid of this. Okay, let's take a look at these. Retract that so we're safe. But we're going to take a look at these. There's about, I think, 70 cards in this. This is pretty good. Looks like Minnesota State Fair. Okay, that's nice. Ooh, love that. Looks like an older card. Not sure. Looks like it says, oh, I can't read it. Atlantic City, New Jersey. Some kind of racing, I think. Here we go. And we've got this. Looks like a pool. Swimming pool. Those are always good sellers. It's a nice bridge. And a nice linen card. Shows a lake. Looks like Washington Park, Albany, New York. Okay. And what do we got here? Southern California. Oh, California cards, good sellers. Excellent. Oh, nice black and white. These are always popular. It says Smallwood, New York. Is that what it says? Yeah, Smallwood, New York. And, ooh, street with some cars parked. Beautiful. That was a chrome. These are chromes. And this looks like somewhere in Florida because of the palm trees. Might be California. But some nice action going on. One of the things you always want to do is you want to make sure you try to get cards that show action. Okay, here's an interior Garden State Arts Center. And let's see, Minnesota State Fair. Looks like a night shot. That's always interesting. Looks like a post office there. Yep, post office, Lakewood, New Jersey. Looks like another interior. Looks like an old place where you'd get soda, the old soda fountains. Interesting. Okay, this looks like it's a Court of Two Sisters, New Orleans, Louisiana. Pretty cool. Another bridge. That's a nice linen card. And Arkansas, this is what they call a banner card. It's the greetings from Arkansas. And there's a statue. Not a big fan of statues, but sometimes they sell. But that's a nice linen card, at least. I like linens. This is a chrome. And I'm not sure what this is. It says Kent Apartments. Oh, this will be a good seller. What if somebody owned this or stayed there or something like that? That'd be very interesting. And this is a split view card. Sea Grill Restaurant, interior, exterior. That's always a good seller. Okay, I think I have this card. Looks like a Niagara Falls. It seems like Niagara Falls is a really popular card with a lot of card sellers. Not really, but I guess because they made so many of them that they don't do well. But this one's got a nice rainbow in it, which I like. It's pretty cool. Plus, it's an aerial view. Okay, here we go. This one is this is a motel. It looks like maybe in Florida, and that's a chrome as well. Okay, this is what is this? It's an interior. Looks like a restaurant, and could be Disneyland there, or Disney World. One of the two. Disney is always a good seller. Nice linen card. What does that say? General view of bathing beach, boardwalk, and hotel, Cape May, New Jersey. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay, I think I have this one. Looks like a state fair building or some kind of convention center. Some nice shots of some redwoods, maybe in California. And a fountain shot. Ooh, some colored water there, colored lights going through the water. And they shot it they photographed it kind of at dusk, just before the sky turned black. That looks pretty good. Nice waterfall with a nice steamboat there. That looks pretty nice. That'll be a nice seller. And plus, it's under power. That's always a good seller. Let's see here. It looks like some kind of a home or estate. Have to check into that later. Okay, this is Surfside Bay Harbor and looks like Bal Harbor, probably Florida, maybe Miami, Florida. And Howard Johnson. No, I'm sorry, a Holiday Inn. Aerial shot, Holiday Inn, very nice. Another linen card. This one's got a moon in it, which is always nice. And got cars in it, a lot of action going on. This will be a good seller. And not sure what this is. Looks like some kind of a temple or something like that. With some greenery in the foreground, some flowers. Okay, nice lighthouse. Lighthouses are always good sellers. This is pretty nice. Ooh, night shot of a bridge, Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Okay, that'll be good. Is that a linen? No, that's chrome. Okay. And some old cars. And I'm not sure what kind of building that is, but whenever you get things like, cars, parking lot, that kind of thing, always good. Here's another nice black and white. Sometimes with these black and whites, I run them through the scanner and they don't scan well. It depends on how contrasty they are, because sometimes the scanner can't handle the tonality difference, and it'll end up looking like like you ran it through a Xerox scanner, And what I have to do with these is I have to take them in studio and actually photograph them because I have more control. But we'll have to see. We'll have to run it through the scanner and see what it does. But this is Tanglewood. I think that's in Massachusetts. Okay, what do we got here? Lafayette Hotel. Nice linen card. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, big letter card. These are good sellers. San Francisco. Greetings from San Francisco. That's a linen card. Very nice. And another linen card. This says Granada Entrance. Coral Gables, Florida. Florida is always a good seller for me. And this is a portrait. Looks like Chinatown in San Francisco. Pretty cool. Those are always interesting. An older hotel. What does that say? Pierpont? Not sure the name there. But it's in Brooklyn, New York. But that looks good. And these are turning out to be portraits. Nice aerial shots. I love when you see these city streets, when you see cars and things like that, when you can see aerial shots. Those are nice. And here's one, probably San Francisco. It's got the trolleys, the cable cars. That's pretty nice. Those are always good sellers. Oh, here's one, Disneyland. Probably either Disneyland or Disney World. Got a nice horse-drawn carriage there with the Magic Kingdom in the background. And, oh, I have this one. But this one is always an interesting one. Cliff House Restaurant, dining, aerial shot with the ocean there and the cars parked. Very nice. Another nice linen French restaurant. Pretty nice. Again, whenever you can get things where you got cars parked in the foreground, that's always interesting. You got a lot of things like a palm tree and buildings and things like that. This is a chrome. Very nice. Not sure where it is, probably Florida or California. Okay, and Ocean City, New Jersey. People at the beach enjoying the ocean. That's always going to be good. And this is an aerial shot, Texas, Laredo in Mexico, probably the border. Got a bridge, I think. Is that a bridge? Maybe not. But yeah, very nice cards. A linen. I always love linen cards. And here's another. This is probably somewhere in maybe San Francisco because of the hill structure, I'm guessing. I'm only showing you the front of these cards. I didn't want the video to be too long. Now this is some kind of a dome. Not sure exactly what that is. I have to check into that. Another, let's see, Grand Hotel, Mackinac Island, Michigan. Got a nice horse and buggy thing out here in the front, and got the flags. Very nice, very nice. Another statue. And this looks like a boardwalk. Yep. Avon by the Sea, New Jersey. New Jersey boardwalks are always great sellers. You got people walking along. You got people at the beach. A lot of action going on here. And this one looks like another hotel. Yeah, Stratford Hotel. Now, I'm not sure if this is a real photo postcard or not. I'd have to look at it under a loop. This one actually might scan because the tonalities are more gray than, stark black and white. So we'll have to try that out. And what else we got here? Another statue. This could be a college. Colleges are always good. This is an aerial shot. Atlantic Biltmore Hotel. Oh, the Biltmore. I have so many Biltmore cards. I always get one of those. Oh, here's a nice one. Portrait. Let me hold that better. Portrait of the Golden Gate Bridge. This is a very unique angle, which I think would be a good selling point. And plus it's a linen card. So that's pretty cool. And what else we got? Oh, little harbor action going along here. Where is this? Sailing at Brant Beach, New Jersey. New Jersey beaches. That was always good. You got boats here. The ocean. A lot of action going on. Okay, another statue, but at least this one's got flamingos in it. Yay! My wife's favorite bird. I always love flamingo shots, so maybe that will be the saving grace. I'm not a big fan of statues, but with the flamingos in the foreground, that might sell it. Okay, what do we got here? Penthouse Club, New York City. Got an interior inset photo right here. Aerial shot of, looks like, the regular New York State Park. It's a chrome. Here's another hotel. And what is that? The Mayflower. It's pretty interesting. It's got some cars here down in the foreground where you can see it's not completely cut off. Sometimes these cards get cut off right here. and they don't show the street, but this shows the street, cars driving, parked, people walking, that kind of thing. So that makes for an more interesting card. Another linen card. Is this linen? No, this is a white border. It says Wesley House from Harbor, Oak Bluffs, Massachusetts. Interesting card. And what else we got? Oh, people in a swimming pool. This card looks colorized. Maybe it was a black and white and it was colorized. The Meadowside Mount Pocono, Pennsylvania swimming pool. People swimming. Yeah, that'll be an interesting card. That'll be a good seller. Another long bridge across the waterway there, probably in Florida, California. It looks like a World's Fair type of card. You got people walking, maybe in the 50s or 60s. Now this might be a real photo postcard. I'd have to look at it under a loupe, but this is Hollywood, California. Not sure what year. Oh yes, this one is posted, and it says 1953. Pretty cool. All right, what do we got here? Pavilion, Los Angeles Music Center. Got some people standing outside. Interesting. Very interesting light on that. And this one looks like some kind of a World's Fair card. I've been seeing more and more of those lately. And oh, this is a unique angle. I love this angle. Some kind of a office building. It says Up Bank. Oh, it's a bank. UP Bank, Up Bank. Yeah, it definitely goes up. It's got, yeah, it's postmarked. 1960. It looks like 1966 or 68. Somewhere in there. Very nice. And you got a tree here with a lady standing. Sunken Gardens. I've seen similar shots like this. And coming down to the end here, the Tropicana Hotel. Got a diving board, some ladies posing. This was actually probably a professionally photographed image, because this is obviously staged, because it's got a lady here, lady there to fill out the composition. You got a man sitting here. Very interesting. And this one here, is this a Continental? Let me look at these other ones. Yeah, this is a little bit bigger. And this is a Continental 4x6. And got a little bit of a crease there. But it says North Outer Drive and Skyline. Where is this? It's 1972. Looks like Chicago, Illinois. Okay. Very cool. Very nice cards. Very happy with these. Let me get them all kind of put back together here. And I'm going to change the angle back. Just give me a second here. I don't mess this up. And readjust. Kind of doing this on the fly. There we go. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I got some really interesting cards there. I'm really looking forward to listing those. I got some nice linen, some chrome, some white borders, good mixture of cards. It was packaged very well, very professionally done, and I'm very happy with that. So I'm going to give that seller positive feedback, and I'll be listing these cards soon. So, as always, hope you enjoyed that. If you got anything out of this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Helps the channel. I appreciate it. And I'm going to go, but you guys have a great day. Hope you make a lot of sales today, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.